ShotCut AI Video Editor is a cutting-edge Android application designed to simplify and enhance the video editing process using artificial intelligence. Targeted at both beginners and experienced creators, the app offers a user-friendly interface with a range of powerful editing tools that streamline the production of high-quality videos. With ShotCut, users can easily trim, cut, and merge clips, add music, and apply various effects and filters to elevate their video projects. The AI technology assists in automating certain editing tasks, such as scene detection and automatic transitions, making it faster to create polished videos without extensive manual effort. The app also typically includes features like text overlays, stickers, and customizable templates that allow users to infuse personality and creativity into their content. Additionally, ShotCut may provide options for sharing directly to social media platforms, facilitating quick distribution of edited videos to a wider audience. Overall, ShotCut AI Video Editor stands out as a versatile and intuitive tool, making video editing accessible and enjoyable for users looking to produce engaging and visually appealing content effortlessly.